In this video, we're going to talk about why Clearcoat peels. So I had a question on YouTube and it asked, why does the Clearcoat flake off? And there's a couple reasons that could be the cause of this. One, if you didn't put enough clear coat on whenever you was clear coating, uh, you have to have a certain amount of mils depending on the manufacturer, the paint manufacturer, what they recommend, but you're supposed to have a certain amount of mils. Two, maybe you applied enough clear coat, but then after the sanding and buffing, you sanded too much off, leaving the clear coat mils too thin. Or three, just over time and age, the clear coat from the sun, it bakes it, makes it thinner. And that's why you see a lot of times this happening on your hoods, your roofs, your deck lids, and the upper part of your fenders and so forth, is because that's where the sun really hits those panels. And what that does, it basically thins the clear coat. So if this happens to a car that, was never been painted before, has the original paint, it's probably just due to age and the sun hitting it. Maybe you live in the warmer states where bakes it even faster, thins that clear out. Or if it's been painted, probably one of those two reasons. Either you did not put enough clear coat on and it did not have the durability, or you sand and buff too much. If you sand and buff too much, that's going to thin the clear, and it's just not going to have the durability that it should have. So all three of these answers basically lead to one thing: not enough clear coat, not enough mill thickness, and it loses its durability. I hope this helped answer your question. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.